Hello and welcome to Ryan's Recipes. Now what I'm going to make today is the Peri Peri chicken pasta bake. This should be an interesting one. So for this one, nice and simple, pre-diced chicken, peri peri seasoning, peri peri sauce, some passata and pasta. Okay, so first things first, what I'm going to do is just brown off the chicken. Lob that in there. Tiny dash of oil, and what I'm also going to do is throw in some peri peri seasoning just to start flavouring the chicken a little bit. Then I'll put some more peri peri flavouring in the sauce. Now that's more than enough of that. Get a quick trick about. Get plenty of seasoning on there. Lots of flavour. Fantastic stuff. Now I'm literally just going to brown that through. Okay, so the chicken is finished off browning off. So I'm going to start this off with a dash of water for my sauce. Plenty of passata. You can see me adding more than this anyway because it's not the biggest Pyrex jug in the world. Bit of peri peri powder. And then got some peri peri sauce. Good old dollop of that in there. So now what I'm going to do is grab a fork, give that a whirl. So I think I don't want to overpower it with the peri peri seasoning purely because it will burn my mouth to buggery when it comes to testing. However, that looks like it wants a little bit more flavouring. Just put a bit more powder in. Yeah, a bit more sauce, why not? So it's very much a mild peri peri sauce I'm adding. Nothing too stupid. And I'm sure wearing a white shirt while stirring this is not the best idea, but well. So let's start putting some bits together. Okay, so first things first, add in my chicken, spread that out a little bit. Then what I need to do is throw in plenty of pasta. Now this is dry pasta, so it's going to cook as it goes. One thing I've got to remember. Scatter out a bit in there. Fantastic. And then I start adding my sauce. Now we're going to need a lot more liquid than that. That's very much underestimated. So let's just pour away our passata, try and actually get it in the pan, not all over work surface, like that. May look under those out in a minute. So we'll just mix as we go. Oven will mix it, the heat will make it all move about, I'm sure. Lots of peri peri. That quite didn't go to plan, but we'll literally brush over that one. And then it needs some more water just to go with pasta. So that can all mix in there like so. Good thing with pasta is it's very absorbent and it should absorb all of this moisture. If not, I'll whack the oven up to about 300 degrees and boil it all off. So we've got that like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw that in, oven's preheated, let that start off, see how it gets on, and then I'll whack some cheese on towards the end. Okay, so that's been in for about 25 minutes. Now as you can see, that's starting to cook through very nicely. So what I'm going to do is add a good lashing of cheese. Now I've got some pre-grated pizza cheese here. And I'm going to whack it back in for another 10 minutes on about 205 degrees. See how we're getting on. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do nicely. So as I said, I'm going to whack that back in for another 10 minutes. And so we're getting on. And there it is. So that has been in the oven for a further 10 minutes or so. That's allowed the cheese to toast off nicely, the pasta to finish off cooking through. And what I'm going to do is leave it about 15-20 minutes and serve it up. So to save waiting 15-20 minutes for me to let that cool before slicing it, I'm going to end this video now. So there will be photos of it dished up on my Facebook page when that comes around to happening. And right now, I'm going to go and edit this video. So as always, any suggestions, please put them in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Take care.